YouTube, what's up? Back with another video here. 2019 Ford Edge. And so this topic here, actually you could probably do this with all of the different models. If they have a little cover here or not, even if it doesn't, I believe the new 2020 or 2021 models probably don't come with this. I haven't taken a look at one of those vehicles personally. But yeah, I just wanted to show you a phone charger, the cable. So it's a little hack that I just kind of do to kind of keep the, keep your area here a little clean, so you don't have cables dangling all over the place. So this is what I do, and this applies also to the Fusion. So in my Ford Fusion, have this area here does not have the cover. And sorry about the plane going by here, but it doesn't have the cover here. But nonetheless, there's USB ports right up in here. So when you plug in your charger cable, and I'll show you an example here in a minute. You have your cable out, and so what I have done here, and maybe you can do it too if you like. But you see how they're plugged in to the USB ports, right? And so what I've done, excuse me, what I've done is I've routed it through the back on both sides. One's a C-type and the other's a iPhone Lightning cable. So what I've done is I've routed it up and around, and it comes around here. Let's see if I can show you here, point it this way. This area here, sorry about that. It comes up around this area here and up inside this little panel. This panel, you can actually pull it out a little bit, and because it does come off. So you can route your cable up underneath, right? It goes all the way up underneath, and then look at, voila, it comes out on this side. So depending on the length of your cable, of course, this cable here is pretty long. I think this is a 6-footer. I'm nowhere near need that length, but probably switch it down to a 3-footer. This one is obviously too long, but you can just kind of stuff it down inside, and then you have this end here, and this is where you plug in your phone in order to use the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto, because this model here doesn't have the wireless Android Auto. At least I don't think so. I haven't actually used it, so in case if you guys know if you can use it with this model 2019, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, I just kind of plug it in here to your phone, and then your Android Auto or your Apple CarPlay will come up, and then you can just kind of set your phone down wherever you like. There's a couple of places, right? You can have one here where I have my hand sanitizer, or the little cubby place right here in the front, right? This guy right here, boom, right? And so it just kind of keeps it a little bit cleaner. So as you can see on this side over here, same thing with the Apple Lightning cable. So come around here, down around the edge here, and then here it comes out. You can see the cable here. You can just pop it out. This is a 3-footer, so you see this length. It's much nicer. It's not huge and dangling all over the place. So your passenger here can, if they have a phone, Apple phone, they can plug it in, use their phone. So just makes it a little cleaner, rather than, and I'll show you. I have a cable here. So here's my other Lightning cables. So if you plug this guy in here, now you see, now you have this this cable for your phone, out and dangling all over the place, and it just kind of, it's not really tidy, right? So, of course, if you don't mind, that's fine too, right? But, for me, this is what I like to do, just kind of bury them down in there, and, free up your space. And so, yeah, that'll work, man. And one little thing that I want to show you also, in case if you have multiple passengers in the back. As you know, for this particular model, there is no USB charger in the back. However, you can certainly buy these little guys here, right? Got this on Amazon. It's a flush mount, meaning when you plug this guy in, wait, is this the one? This is the wrong one. Sorry about that. I'll show you, see if I can show you the differences. I have another one, I believe, here. Here it is. So, I got a flush mount, and I'll show you the differences between these guys, man. Check that out. It's a mini charger. So, you see that? It's a lot smaller, and it's also a fast charger. So, you know, when you plug it into your outlet there, you know, it doesn't come up so high as the normal ones there. So you see that? Plug it in. So it only comes up a little bit, right? So, and you can use this in the back, whereas this guy here, look how far it sticks out, right? So it just makes it a little, I mean, you can be careful, and you know, but that far just makes it a little inconvenient, especially in the back here. So if you have kids, you know, they're going back and forth from side to side, you know, and if they hit it, boom, you know, maybe it has the potential to break off. So here's the normal one, and let's see if I can show you sideways, see how far it opens, right? And let me show you the smaller one, the micro one. See how it goes much further inside. So when you close the door, yeah, it sticks out a little bit, but not as much. It's almost closed. Right? So that's, yeah, just really handy. And then, you know, your passengers in the back can plug into the their phones or devices, whatever it is they may be using. Of course, you can also use this guy here. But, you know, I just find that these guys here just make it, you know, a lot easier to use. So yeah, that's about it, you guys. Just a quick video, show you some hacks that you can do for your Fusion or your Edge. In this case, here's my Edge, but again, I do the same thing with my Fusion, so it works just as fine. It works the same. So with that, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and leave me some comments if you do it or not. Be good to know, man. Just sharing some knowledge with you all, man. All right. Peace.